When your scheduled Hyflex meeting is about to begin, we have this screen that you'll see when you walk into the room. If you'd like to start it earlier, you can also do so from the iPad controller simply by hitting the join button. If you need to screen share, obviously you'll have to have another device to screen share. So we'll take a look at my laptop here. I'll show you how to join. You can locate your link, your Zoom link, however you do that. You can either go into Canvas or you can go into your Outlook calendar, grabbing the link from my Outlook calendar. When you click on, this is true of any Zoom meeting, you'll get these kind of pop-up windows. When you get to the screen that will actually launch you into the Zoom meeting, you'll get a pop-up that asks you if you'd like to join from computer audio. Now it's important that you do not join from computer audio. If you do join with computer audio, you'll get an echo. So when you see this pop-up, do not click on this. Instead, click on this X. You'll get another pop-up, and then you can just hit the X again. So just remember to keep Xing out of that. If you do join with computer audio and how to get out of it. So if you accidentally hit the join computer audio, you start to get that echo. There's a little up arrow. And this option here, leave computer audio, will take care of that issue for you. You can go through and you can screen share like you normally would. The Hyflex cart automatically claims the host capabilities, host privileges, but you can reclaim that by hitting reclaim host. With this participant window, this will allow you to see who is in your class. This window is particularly helpful if you're doing attendance or roll calling. You can see who's on there. It will also offer you ability to see who's muted, unmuted. You can stop video, you can chat with the individual, certain things like that. So that participant window will be helpful for you. I want to show you a few specific things about the appearance of different participants, tiles, video tiles if you will, controls that you have here on the iPad. The first, this view button here, let's say you have a guest speaker and they're the only ones that are on the far end and you'd like your students to see a close-up of that speaker. You can use this speaker button, which will, in this case I'm doing screen sharing, so it will show their shared screen with a window of the speaker. You can also do thumbnail, which as you can see gives you that large screen share with tiles at the bottom. With gallery view, as we can see, we have our participant SK who is joining remotely. We can also see the local view of our classroom. This blurred out tile is actually my view, so if I were to step in front of the camera, join from my laptop, you can use this view to get a close-up of yourself if you like. Top left-hand tile here, that, of course, is your screen share. So when you're using the gallery view, you will have a tile dedicated to your screen share, and that will allow you to ensure that the far end viewers are seeing your screen share. If by chance the meeting starts and you're not getting that gallery view icon here, press that and then switch to gallery. Camera control. If you'd like a slightly different view, you have the ability to steer the camera. You have the ability to zoom in, zoom out. If you ever walk up to the Hyflex cart at the beginning of your class and for some reason you do not see your class here or your scheduled meeting here, or if you see the title of your scheduled meeting or class here but you don't have that join button, there is a way to bring this cart into your meeting. You can do that by hitting the join button. And when you get that join button, it's going to prompt you for the meeting ID. So we're just going to grab that information from my laptop where I've already joined the meeting. You can see that. That will give you the meeting ID and the passcode. So what I'm going to do is I usually just have my phone available and I just take a quick snapshot of that. And I punch that. And then I hit OK. So as you can see from this screen, it's letting me know that I've joined. So I'm going to jump back over to my laptop and just admit that cart. For whatever reason, it's not showing up as a scheduled appointment that you can start. You can hit that join button, enter the meeting ID and the password, and you can bring this Hyflex cart into your meeting that way. So that's a good fail-safe.